Yep, so first we will take 4 equal square pieces, fold them to a triangular shape. Then fold it again to a square shape. As you can see, there's a proper marking right now. So now we'll fold the tip towards the side and then fold it back inside, so we'll get a shape like this. Now I've done it with all the 4 pieces. Now we have to interjoin them, so you can use glue for Now I'm going with the last piece, and we'll connect the first and the last piece together using the same process, and we'll get this kind of shape, a square circlish shape here. So I've done like 5 colors, and now for the base, get a similar size square paper, fold it inside like this, add glue and insert it to the last piece, which will be your bottom part. So it's gonna look like this. This will work as the base. Now you have to take the rest of the pieces and stick it on top of the other part. So first I'm placing it. So as you can see, you have to check all the corners that they are fixed perfectly with the help of the glue. So this is done. So I'll go with the next color, that's blue. So yeah, this is the final piece, the red color. So I have taken 5 colors totally. So as you can see, it's completed. So that's it. Then you can add your pen, your stationery, whatever you like. Thank you.